Have you ever sent a text message and then spent hours over analyzing the response? Or worse yet, no response at all? I'm Zara, and I'm a relationship development coach with some exciting news. I'm going to be launching something that's going to change the way that you date forever. Starting on Tuesday, March the 18th, I'm hosting live weekly coaching calls where we're going to be diving into the real strategies of dating and how to fix them. The best part is the calls will be live and available to anyone who's ready to change the way that they date. And yes, I'm offering the first 30 minutes to every call to you for free. So if you're willing to show up, I'm going to make you a promise. The promise is that I will tirelessly provide you with the topics you need to transform your love life. So what you'll get for showing up is free and live content for just 30 minutes, of your time. And this is where I'm going to break down the biggest struggles in dating and relationships, and potentially from what's holding you back from the love that you deserve. You'll then have the option to go deeper for another 30 minutes where I provide real coaching, some live breakthroughs and strategies that are going to help you build all the confidence in love that you need. There'll also be replays available and ongoing support, so you don't have to navigate this alone. If you want to join or learn more, I'm going to include the link in the comments so that you can grab the link and grab your spot and learn a little bit more about this. So if you've ever been on the fence about working with me or want to know a little bit more about my coaching style, this is for you. As I said, the first 30 minutes are free, and if you want to dive deeper into coaching, you can stick around for the second half. It's time to break free from anxious dating patterns and finally secure the love that you deserve. Let's do this. I'd love to see you on Tuesday, the 18th of March at 5:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And just for now, there's a massive cyclone heading my way this weekend as I'm currently in the Gold Coast. So if I go quiet this weekend, I promise I'm not ghosting you. I'll be doing everything in my power to get back online so that the coaching call is still on for next Tuesday. So join the link, learn some more, grab your spot, and I will see you there.